The Asian financial crisis started in Thailand in July 1997, quickly buffeted Hong Kong. Since then, Hong Kong's economy has been struggling. During the crisis, the Hang Seng Index fell over 60%. The housing market dropped by more than 50%. Unemployment rose to a record 7% plus. Xie Yonghai worked in a securities company at that time. He recalled those panic days.
We were joyously celebrating Hong Kong's return to China on July the 1st, but one day later, Thailand's baht began to depreciate. Then the currencies in other Asian countries like Indonesia and Malaysia followed to devalue. Hong Kong was soon being hit heavily, especially its finance and trade. The GDP per capita was $20,000 in 1997. The figure dropped significantly until 2006. It took 10 years to recover.
As an open economy, Hong Kong was easily dragged into the maelstrom. The city survived the crisis due to the SCR government's intervention to protect the market, and lessons were learned.
As a transit hub between the Chinese mainland and foreign countries, Hong Kong would be hurt directly once there's any turbulence in the global market. After the crisis, the SAR government has done a lot to improve its economic structure. Meanwhile, other Asian countries involved also understand that they should be less reliant on foreign debt, but have higher foreign exchange reserves to protect them during times of turbulence.
Now, 20 years on, Hong Kong remains an international financial center. It's been rated the most competitive economy in the world. It's also the biggest renminbi offshore center, and in 2016, the largest IPO market. And with the launch of the Stock and Bond Connect between the mainland and Hong Kong, and the country's Belt and Road Initiative, and the proposed establishment of the Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macau Greater Bay Area, more opportunities lie ahead.
Being a leading fundraising center, Hong Kong will play a key role as an infrastructure financing center in the Belt and Road project. The total GDP of all Greater Bay Area members was $1.4 trillion, double that of the San Francisco Bay Area. Hong Kong will benefit a lot from the regional integration.
Observers say Hong Kong should actively take part in the country's development initiatives, which are crucial to the region's future status. With mainland's firm support, Hong Kong becomes more confident, even if a similar financial crisis erupts.
The economies of the Chinese mainland and Hong Kong have seen greater integration over the past 20 years. The connect between the two markets is on course for an even stronger link. As the mainland's economy continues to witness rapid growth, Hong Kong has the opportunity to maintain its steady development. CGTN, Hong Kong.